The world's most advanced smart lock just got even better. Combining suggestions from all of our customers, we've taken the smart lock to the next level. This is the new Lockly Vision. From a brighter digital touchscreen that displays the world's most secure shuffling keypad to the modern zinc alloy enclosure that elevates your front door, the innovation does not stop there. We've added ultra-wide angle lens to our lock to give you the world's first all-in-one smart lock and video doorbell, combining what is normally two devices into one. From the push of a button, instantly get notified on your phone who's at the door. Remotely lock and unlock from your iOS or Android app, or even communicate with the guest when you're not there from anywhere in the world. Our latest power managing system allows your lock to last up to 12 months and even stores videos on our smart hub to be accessed from the cloud anywhere in the world. With the Pin Genie touchscreen, know your keypad is secure from prying eyes. While the location of the numbers are different every time it's displayed, your code doesn't change, making it hard for others to guess the correct code before being locked out. Besides the keypad, unlock your door with your fingerprint, voice, smartphone, and even a physical key. Installation takes just a few minutes and is compatible with right and left swing doors.
Fast and accurate fingerprint recognition. Remote access with temporary or scheduled codes. Smart home integration. Okay Google, open the door. Real-time monitoring. Quick and easy installation.
It was successfully processed.
The smarter way to get in. Samsung Smart Lock A30.
ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 3 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.